you've got a path coming here already naturally, I'd carve it out and make a nice edge here to define. I'd also do the same thing here with your nice veg and pollinator area. You come through here, there's your gate, so you can't mess with this here. You've got this open area here, which I would put a flowering tree here.
Oh, nice.
Because
Okay.
then you can see it from over there, like a dogwood, a serviceberry, eastern redbud. You had something here, obviously, before you moved here. But to fill the space, wouldn't that be nice?
Yeah.
I think you could also get away with that climbing rose. Put that over here, lots of sun climbing on the fence. Okay, wouldn't that be nice?
Oh, beautiful.
Great. Then what you have is you come along here and you have a path. Continue the path. You're not going to get grass to grow here anyway. You bring this out, you plant stuff here. We talked about the invasives you have to get rid of. Then you come in this way and you come in this way, and all this is a path because no one's playing soccer right here.
Yeah, no.
So wouldn't that be nice to have a little garden, a little path going down? So, and then you're gonna see what happens with the peach weed, obviously. Pull this out, more flowers, but it could be like a really fun thing.
Yeah.
You can walk around and have a path just as often.
Oh, I love that.